In today's video, I'm going to be organizing my fidget toys. Because they're really, not organized. Yeah, one sec. I'm gonna grab my other fidget. Because they're just at the back of my room. I am coming back. Okay, so I have my fidgets right here. So it's organized. Oh, and I have this thing that a lot of people do. Okay, so maybe first I'm gonna do my puppets. Oh, and I got a new puppet. It's a little cupcake. It's a really good one. Oops. I found it at Canadian Tire in Canada. It's a really good puppet. Okay, this is the second best puppet that I got. It's a really good one. Okay, so now it's time. So, gotta that one, that one, that right there. Okay, now the small fidgets are gonna go on the side, right there. So, oops, one just fell. This one, metallic gray, I'm pretty sure they're called. I have no idea what they're called though. So, and this wacky track. One wacky track. It fell! One of my fidgets. Okay, and I got pop tubes a little bit ago. So I just put those there. And just put the fidgets. I just had to straighten my wacky track, my other wacky track. I have a lot of wacky tracks. So yeah, this squishy broke in my bag when I was somewhere. I have no idea where I was. I forgot where I was, but I just put them wherever and stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot about my monkey. To put that there. And there, put this there, put this here. And there you have it. My fidget toys are, wait, no. I have one more monkey left. Put that there. And there you have it. My fidget toys. See you in the next one. Bye.